Welcome to Professor Rajendra Singh Science Exploratory, Nagpur. Explore, experiment, excel. Science is not just a subject, it is a way of thinking, a way of questioning the world around us. Since 2015, the Professor Rajendra Singh Science Exploratory in Nagpur has been redefining how science is learned and experienced. At PRSSE, classrooms are transformed into dynamic laboratories of discovery, where students do not merely study science, they practice it. Located in the heart of Nagpur, PRSSE engages students from grades 5 to 10 through year-long experiential programs, national and international competition training, outreach initiatives, and teacher development. The philosophy of PRSSE is simple yet powerful: to involve students directly in the process of science. Here, curiosity is encouraged, questions are welcomed, and learning happens through observation, experimentation, and reflection. The inspiration behind PRSSE comes from a life devoted to knowledge, humility, and national service. Professor Rajendra Singh, fondly known as Rajju Bhaiya, was born in 1922 in a small village in Uttar Pradesh. A distinguished professor of physics at the University of Allahabad, he served as an educator and researcher from 1945 to 1965. An expert in spectroscopy and nuclear physics, he was known for explaining complex ideas with remarkable clarity and simplicity. During his MSc final practical examination, personally evaluated by Nobel laureate C.V. Raman, Rajendra Singh achieved a perfect score. Despite opportunities elsewhere, he chose to dedicate his life to teaching, research, and service. He passed away in 2003, leaving behind not just achievements, but a philosophy that education must build character, curiosity, and courage. PRSSE's flagship laboratory training programs provide students with weekly hands-on exposure across multiple scientific disciplines. With over 40 sessions annually, students develop critical thinking, data analysis, research skills, and scientific communication. Today, students from more than 45 schools across Nagpur are part of this sustained learning journey.
My name is Rishika Tauri and I am a student of Narayana Vidyalayam, Chinch Bhavan, Nagpur. I joined the PRSSE institution in the month of September. In our school, we are taught about theoretical science, and there are many chapters in our book like light, sound, electricity, etc. But at the PRSSE institution, we are able to learn about the practical applications of this theoretical science. In our school, we rarely get to see the lab, and even if we do, we are not able to do our experiments individually. But over here, we are able to do our experiments individually, and we have more understanding of the practical appliances used. It is just like becoming a scientist step by step with the help of knowledge. Although we are breaking a few test tubes in a while, we are also learning about how to manage ourselves and our things. Overall, I am thanking the PRSSE institution for the part of science that I never knew about. They gave me the knowledge about it. Thank you.
PRSSE prepares students for prestigious national and international science competitions. Through structured year-long training, students gain deep conceptual understanding, laboratory proficiency, and competitive confidence.
Namaste. Professor Rajendra Singh Science Exploratory recommenced in July 2023, and we welcome you to our new premises where curiosity meets innovation. Our tagline says it all: explore, experiment, excel. We believe learning is most impactful when it is hands-on. When students connect theory with practical experience, concepts come alive, and the joy on their faces says it all. As they explore, experiment, and excel, we see a transformation in confidence, curiosity, and clarity of thought. Thank you.
At Professor Rajendra Singh Science Exploratory, we are passionate about making science fun and accessible. Our programs complement school education by offering hands-on experiments, workshops, and interactive sessions that spark curiosity and creativity. Students get to explore concepts beyond textbooks, develop critical thinking, and build confidence in STEM subjects. Our state-of-the-art laboratories provide a perfect space for innovation and discovery. By bridging theory and practice, we are empowering young minds to become future scientists, thinkers, and leaders.
Science education must reach every curious mind. PRSSE's outreach programs bridge the urban-rural divide, bringing students from remote regions into advanced laboratories, often for the first time. True educational transformation begins with empowered teachers. Aligned with the National Education Policy 2020, PRSSE's RACE program equips educators with experiential, student-centered teaching methodologies.
Hello everyone, I am Vedika Pimprapure from Hadas Primary School, Nagpur. I have attended RACE, that is Enforcing Academic Instructions and Science Education program, organized by Professor Rajendra Singh Science Exploratory in association with Vidya Bharati Nagpur. The program focused on interactive and engaging ways to teach complex concepts, making learning fun and accessible for students. I learned about various activities, experiments, and projects that can be incorporated into my daily lessons. The expert resource persons use innovative approaches to explain the concepts with special pedagogy. The program was incredibly insightful, and I'm eager to implement these new methods in my classroom teaching also. At the same time, I'm excited to share my experience and inspire my colleagues to explore these new ways of teaching. Thank you.
PRSSE is not just an institution. It is a movement nurturing curiosity, building scientific temper, and shaping responsible, future-ready citizens. From Nagpur, a quiet science renaissance is unfolding. One experiment, one question, and one young mind at a time.